Introducing Hexagon Copilot, our latest innovation seamlessly integrated into Esprit Edge for real-time and intelligent guidance. Hexagon Copilot is your AI-powered assistant, uniquely built on our extensive help documentation. It provides instant support, ensuring you have quick access to the information you need to streamline your workflow. Experience enhanced productivity and effortless navigation, guided by expert insights. Hexagon Copilot is available 24/7, adapts to your questions and spoken language, and is accessible to any programmer, regardless of experience. Hexagon Copilot is here to transform your experience, offering instant, relevant assistance directly within the product. You will be prompted to log into your Nexus account. If you do not have a Nexus account yet, click on the link below to sign up. With Hexagon Copilot, receive precise, contextual answers to your questions directly within the product interface. Whether you're troubleshooting or exploring new functionalities, stay focused and productive with immediate insights. It offers step-by-step guidance directly within the product, making complex tasks simple and straightforward. Navigate through processes with ease, as Copilot provides clear, actionable instructions that help you achieve your goals efficiently. Experience seamless integration with Hexagon Copilot, enhancing your workflow without disruption. Embedded directly into the product, it provides smooth and intuitive user experience. In the dynamic environment of job shops, Hexagon Copilot is your go-to resource for enhancing productivity and precision. Its ability to operate across multiple monitors ensures that you can seamlessly access the information needed to meet the specific demands of manufacturing. Revolutionize your job shop operations today. Thank you for watching this Esprit Edge product video. For more information on this and other Esprit Edge features, refer to the release bulletin and product help.